The heavens did not applaud, the angels did not sing. The day turned to night, for the light was being extinguished by men. A kiss sold eternity for cold coins. The garden's dust absorbed crimson sweat. Obedience weighed heavier than fear. The disciples fled, the righteous one remained alone. He who multiplied bread now became broken bread. He who calmed storms was now battered by them. It was not an error, it was surrender.